Hello, Papa Jack?
Hello?
Good evening po. Pwede
Good evening
po
ka
bang
din.
humingi ng love advice?
Pwede naman, 21 linya.
Sige po. Pwede ba? Kaso sobra talaga tong problema ko eh. Sana pumunta na lang. Nasaan po ba kayo?
Aba, VIP ka ba? Sige, pupuntahan kita. Ito, nasa harap mo lang ako.
Oh! Yan! Ladies and gentlemen, friends and followers mula sa 90.7 Love Radio, ang love guru ng sambayanan, Papa Jack. Oh my gosh! It's the love guru. Magandang gabi po.
Hi.
Okay, well, wala naman talaga akong love problem. Pero ang dami-daming tumatawag sa'yo every night.
Every night, I don't get a lot of callers. Actually, I only get 3 callers.
I only have
We talk for mahaba.
For quite a while. Okay.
Maybe 45 minutes.
Okay.
An hour. Yeah.
Okay. Paano ba nagsimula si Papa Jack?
Dati, yung Papa Jack, I was hired as a DJ dati sa Love Radio. And I was just asked to do simple board work, like greetings, time checks, AOBs, and stuff like that. And then, I didn't improve on that. So, I wasn't so funny, I wasn't doing anything special at all. So, na-reshuffle kami. So, dati, ang basehan kasi dati, para sa akin, pag mas gabi yung programa mo, mas wala kang point ng DJ.
Okay.
That's how I felt. So, my target was to be the morning Jack. And I couldn't...
Yeah, kasi that's yung pag umaga, yun talaga.
Because they refer to the morning Jack as the pilot DJ. So it gives prestige to you. So, nilagyan ko sa 9 p.m. Sama-sama ang love ko, di ba? If pilot Jack is the best Jack and the pilot Jack airs in the morning and I'm airing 9 p.m., ano ako? So, I asked my boss if I can come up with my own show. So, I authored the show. But I asked my boss for advices and he filled in. We worked it out and started everything.
Bakit naman Papa Jack yung napili mong name?
I had no control about it, over it. Kasi it was just given by the boss. It has to represent a certain sector sa society natin. So parang sa amin, Nicoliala, students, Christopher, drivers, Papa Jack, pedicab drivers. It may sound parang posh pero pa-Jack talaga siya.
Ah, okay. So, syempre, ikaw yung ikaw bilang Papa Jack, ikaw yung sumbungan ng mga taong may problema sa pag-ibig at
It came
sa
to a
puso.
point, yeah. But
Paano mo na-handle lahat ng to?
well, if you're a true person to someone, I guess there's no pressure at all. People always tell me na, ang galing mag-advise. I always say, no, hindi ako magaling mag-advise.
Simple lang.
I don't give good advice as compared to what you can give. Because in reality, yung tinanong sa akin, kapag tinanong sa you will say the same thing. Di ba?
It's just that you have a radio show. Yun lang.
Yeah, and I guess I just confirm what's obvious.
Okay,
Because some people would really ask questions that they already know the answer.
Ano yung mga ina-advise mo ba? Na nahuhugot mo ba yan sa personal mong buhay?
No. You don't have to go through anything to give advice to a certain problem. It's the concept of right and wrong. Normality.
Okay. Alright.
Social behavior is actually my interest. I like knowing how people would react with other people. I like knowing how someone would react.
So you're very observant, ganun.
I am.
Okay, alright. Kumusta naman ang puso ni Papa Jack?
It's healthy.
Very healthy because you are getting married, diba?
I am.
Yes, and yung proposal video mo went viral.
I didn't know about it, but I heard. But I'm not a big fan of social networking site. I am not. I used to. I use my Twitter, my Facebook account only for good purposes. I don't like to forget that there's real people around me. Because sometimes we tend to forget that there are real people around us. That we can get friends physically present.
What is the toughest love problem that you've ever received?
Toughest love problem?
Like a caller would call you.
I guess nothing in particular, but the toughest question to answer of all is how to move on. Yeah, stuff like that.
How to move on? How do you move on?
Because there's no answer to it.
Okay, ano naman yung pinaka-memorable na encounter mo?
Memorable. Every night is a special night for me.
Every night?
I treat every call as the same. I give importance to my callers. You know, some people would really think I am really mean and harsh, but I'm a friend. I am a friend to them.
Okay.
I cry with them. I laugh with them.
Well,
I get mad at them.
That's very, you get mad at them because you care.
Because I'm result-oriented.
Okay.
I always want to know yung outcome ng ginagawa ko.
So you get questions on your Twitter, on your Facebook? Do you,
Yeah, I get.
So, may naghihingi rin sa'yo ng advice doon sa mga accounts mong yun?
I tell them to call the show.
Call the show, okay. Yeah. Sobrang dami ng mga followers mo on Papa Jack on TLC. That's your official Twitter account. And what is your message to all those listeners and all those followers of yours?
Thank you for. I never forget na whatever I have in life, utang na loob ko sa kanila. If I eat 3 times a day, it's because of them. They handed over to me. If I enjoy the benefits of being Papa Jack, it's because of them. So I always say thank you to them. Galing sa puso palagi. Hindi ko nakakalimutan magpasalamat sa kanila.
Okay, so invite. That's very touching. Please invite all our everyone who's watching right now and the viewers and all your listeners to follow you on Twitter and your Facebook. Can you give the account names?
My official Twitter account is twitter.com/papajack-on-TLC. My Facebook account is facebook.com/papajack-on-TLC907. But they can also follow yung mga Papa Jack codes, Papa Jack advices. I don't really mind. Actually, fina-follow ko rin sila. Because these are the people who invested time for me.
Well, thank you for that, Papa Jack, and thank you for dropping by.
Yeah.
And we will listen to your love advice on 90.7. Thank you very, very, very much.
Thank you very much.